and today I am going to do a science experiment which for you need an orange, a beaker and some water. So first take your orange and first fill your beaker with water and then take your orange and gently drop it. As you can see, it floats. Do you know why? Yeah, we all know that oranges are heavier than water. But is that true? Okay, now let me tell you why the orange was stuck to the surface. And I'm not lying, see for yourself. Okay, so in the orange there are tiny air pockets from where, and that helps, as you can see, correction, orange peel. So the air pockets in the orange peel make it stay afloat. The air pockets trap the air and make it stay afloat. Okay, now do you know we can also make it sink? But how? Okay, so now easy peasy. We have to just peel off the orange. Since I don't know how to peel an orange, I am going to get some assistance from my elder. See you when I peel the orange. Okay, I'm back. I peeled the orange and now it should be more denser than water. So now, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Yo, it sinks! Yahoo! So, when I remove the air pockets on these peels, it just like the air could not be trapped and the orange sinked. Okay, now let me do a peel and show you proof. See this peel? Normal orange peel, nothing inside. Just a hole, okay? As you can see, this floats. And see, it floats, does not sink. So that is proof that the peels have air pockets. So this is what the air pockets do is it makes them less dense than water, and that's the reason why they float. Haha. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, oopsie. Bye.